What's the meaning of chancery court? Chancery court. Chancery court.
Chancery court. Chancery court. A chancery court is a type of court that primarily deals with legal disputes related to equity matters, such as trusts, estates, and property rights. Chancery courts originated in medieval England and were distinguished from common law courts, which handled criminal and civil cases involving monetary damages. In modern times, some U.S. states still maintain separate chancery courts, while others have merged them with other courts. The result of a chancery court case may involve injunctions, specific performance orders, or other equitable remedies designed to prevent harm or rectify unfair situations.